Lichens. Lichens are symbiotic associations, that is, mutually useful associations between algae and fungi. The algal component is known as phycobiont and the fungal component as mycobiont, which are autotrophic and heterotrophic respectively. Algae prepare food for the fungi, and the fungi provide shelter and absorb minerals, nutrients, and water for its partner. So close is their association that if one saw a lichen in nature, one would never imagine that they had a two different organisms within them. Lichens are very good pollution indicators. They do not grow in polluted areas.